This is Notes 13-4, Converting Quadratic Functions, Day 1. From our formula card, we have two forms for a quadratic equation. We have standard form, which we know, f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. And we have vertex form, which from our formula chart is a times x minus h squared plus k. We are going to convert equations from vertex form into standard form. Take a look at number 1. I have 2x minus 5 squared minus 1. I'm going to start by multiplying 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 5. I know that squared means I write it twice. I could use my box to multiply this. 2x minus 5 across the top and down the side. This makes 4x squared minus 10x. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x, and negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So this makes 4x squared minus 20x, negative 10 and negative 10, plus 25. And I carry down my negative 1. Y equals 4x squared minus 20x. And my like terms are 25 minus 1, so that is positive 24. We are now in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. On number 2, same thing. I'm going to start with multiplying my 3x minus 1 squared. So if I go over here and I use my box, 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Again, negative 3x, and negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1. So this makes 9x squared. Negative 3 and negative 3 is negative 6x plus 1. Notice that I carried down this negative 2 because it is distributed to everything inside. So I'm going to distribute the negative 2 to everything in the parentheses. Y equals negative 18x squared plus 12x minus 2 plus 4. Carry down my plus 4. And last I combine my like terms. Negative 18x squared plus 12x, negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. Y equals negative 18x squared plus 12x plus 2. Okay, number 3, same thing. I'm going to start with what I have in the parentheses, x plus 4 and x plus 4, x squared plus 4x and 4 times 4 is 16. So this makes, I'm going to leave it in parentheses because I have that 3 to distribute, x squared, 4x and 4x is 16, so plus, 4x and 4x is 8x, plus 16. And carry down my plus 2. I'm going to distribute my positive 3. This gives me 3x squared. 3 times 8 is 24x. And 3 times 16 is 48. Carry down my plus 2. And last I combine my like terms. 3x squared plus 24x. 48 and 2 is 50. Which function is equivalent to g of x? So I'm going to compare what I got to my answer choices. The only one that matches is choice C. Okay, number 4. X minus 5 squared minus 3. Starting with x minus 5. X squared minus 5x and plus 25. This gives me, I have nothing to distribute out front, so I don't need to put this in parentheses. X squared, negative 5 and negative 5 is negative 10x, and plus 25 minus 3. X squared minus 10x, my like terms, 25 and 3. 25 minus 3 is positive 22. I look for my answer choice that matches. And I get choice B, x squared minus 10x. Plus 22. This is the end of Notes 13-3.